When a school knows they are struggling with behavior in part or even all of their building, they should analyze their situation using the 5 domains, which would be analyzing the students who are not exhibiting the appropriate behavior and also the students that are exhibiting the appropriate behavior, analyzing the teachers and staff involved in the area of concern, looking at the incentives and consequences, looking at the environmental characteristics, and finally considering the resources available. After reviewing the analysis for Lacey Elementary, there are protocols already in place that they can build upon, as well as tools to create such as scripts for the Positive Behavior School Support or the PBSS in order to address their concerns of their cafeteria. When implementing these strategies, it is important that all staff be trained, as well as the paraprofessionals and parents that are directly involved with monitoring the cafeteria.